Hi guys, welcome to lesson 46. Please learn 30 new words and answer my 30 questions. Delicious. Was the most delicious meal you ever eaten? Subject. If you could study any subject now, what would it be? Twice. Have you ever watched a movie twice in one day? Unacceptable, acceptable. What behavior do you find unacceptable? Comfortable. Where is the most comfortable place in your home? Among, amongst. How do you feel being among strangers? Drama. Do you enjoy watching drama movies or TV shows? Gift, gifted. What's the best gift you've ever received? Introduce, introduction. Do you find introductions easy or difficult? Perhaps. Perhaps you could learn a new language. Would you like that? Steal, stole, stolen. Why do you think people steal? Tool. What is the most useful tool you own? Economy, economical. Do you try to be economical with your spending? Fabric. How do you choose the fabric for clothes you buy? Happiness. What brings you the most happiness? Might. Who might help you if you need assistance? Stairs. Do you prefer using stairs or an elevator? Track. Do you keep track of your daily activities? Unable. What do you do if you're unable to sleep? Vacancy. Have you seen any job vacancies that interest you? Loss. How do you deal with the loss or something important? Annual. Do you have any annual traditions? Besides. What hobbies do you have besides reading? Locate. Can you locate your favorite spot in your city or town or a village? Location. Do you use maps to find a location? Cause. Is there a cause that you feel passionate about? Disturb. Do you get disturbed easily by noise? Ever. Have you ever met someone famous? football, soccer. Who's your favorite football player? Grade. What's the highest grade you've ever received? That's all for today. Thank you and see you next time. Bye!